You have to be normal. You can't make funny faces. Because this is for Zach Brown.
You know I'm shaking fry.
Like McQueer on Friday night.
Pair of jeans that fit just right.
And the radio.
Now it's laid up beneath the shade of the Georgia pine. That's
So cute.
Sweet tea, pecan pie, homemade wine.
Where the peaches grow.
My house is not much to talk about. It's filled with love, grown in southern ground.
Tanner, get in there.
And a little bit of chicken fried. Cold beer on Friday night.
Spotlight.
Pair of jeans that fit just right. And the radio whoa.
Oh my God, I think it's Tanner.
However you would say.
Tanner, get in there. It's for your uncle.
Louder.
Little things in life
That means
that mean the most. Not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. The dollar sign on the piece of mind. This I'm going to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me. Rich glasses for two. It's right. Cold beer on Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right.
When he was
And
15.
the radio world, I'd sing songs right.
Oh, Grace.
And it would be number one.
Woman does.
Sing it, Gracie.
It does have a precious child. In your mother's love.
How did he end up with Zach Brown?
Gotta play. No, don't do that face.
For the stars and stripes, let freedom forever rise. Let it ring. Salute the ones who fight.
The ones that give their lives. So we don't have to sacrifice all things we love. Like our chicken fried. Cold beer on Friday night. Pair of jeans that fit just right. And the radio world, I sing songs right. See the love in a woman's eyes. Feel the touch of a precious child. Your mother's love. So beer on Friday night. Pair of jeans that fit just right. And the radio world. See the love in a woman's eyes. See the touch of a precious child. Your mother's love. It's been a while to go beat up Grayson.
Brother Grace.
What?
Grace. That's right. No, you beat us. Yeah, I rock. No, he doesn't. Yeah, I do. Zach Brown rocks.
I sang too. But
Zach Brown rocks. Zach Brown rocks. Zach Brown rocks.
Zach Brown.
Zach Brown rocks.
Zach Brown.